Okay, Leo, so the problem was m equals -3/4, and your x and y was -9 and 4. So I have the actual problem here, or the form that it should be in, so that way you can kind of keep track of your numbers. So y is y minus 4, which was in your y place, y value, equals, we have our slope, which was -3/4, and then in parentheses, x minus the -9 in parentheses. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to continue with that. Y minus 4 equals, I'm going to go ahead and distribute the 3/4, the -3/4, to the beginning portion of what's in the parentheses. So that's called distributing. So if I were to multiply -3/4 times x, I'm going to get a -3/4 x. And then, of course, in here you see that I have a negative and a minus sign. You can't do that. So anytime you have a negative and a minus sign, I go ahead and change that to a positive. So it's going to be a um, plus 9 technically. But if we were to multiply that, that would be -3/4 times a positive 9. Negative times -3 times a positive 9 is going to be a -27, and a 4 times 1, because 9 over 1 would be a whole number, would be 4. So that's where I got the -27 over 4. Now I can't combine anything over on this side because I have an x, and the number on the other side doesn't. So there's no like terms. So at this point I can do my next step. I can go ahead and add a 4 to both sides to get y by itself. So now I have y equals -3/4 x plus 4 plus a -27 over 4. Now, the only like terms I have are these numbers. Sorry. These two digits here, the 4 and the -27 over 4. So what I did was I put the 4 over 1 and went ahead and multiplied. So I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like over here. So that's 4 over 1 times a, I'm sorry, plus a -27 over 4. Now, I can't do this problem, and the reason why I can't is because the denominators are not the same. One, I have 1, and then the other, I have a 4, so I have to make those like terms. Okay, in order to do that, I have to multiply my 4 over 1 by 4 to get to my denominator to match my other denominator. So times 4. So, I'm sorry. Let's go times 4. So now my new problem is 4 times 4 is 16 over 4 times 1 is 4 plus a -27 over 4. Woo! Over 4. And let me scoot this down so it all fits on one line. So this is my new real deal problem. And so when I take 16 plus a -27, that's where I get the 11. -27 plus 16 gives us 11. So now my problem is y equals -3 over 4 x, and it's going to be negative because my 27 is bigger than my 16. So it's going to be -11 over 4. I hope that helps you.